I have the best cruise hack and tip that I bet you never even thought of. And it's something that I deploy every single cruise, most port days actually. Hi everyone, I'm Laura and welcome to Living on Cruise Control, where a year and a half ago I left the corporate grind to pursue my dream of living full-time on cruise ships. Today we are on the Sky Princess, getting ready to arrive in Bergen, Norway. It's supposed to be like 72 degrees today, so I'm so excited, bringing out some warmer clothing. I cannot believe it's going to be an amazing day. There's not 0% chance of rain, so I'm going to take advantage of every single minute in this port. So what is my cruise tip? Hotels. Nice 4 and 5 star hotels. And let me tell you how I take advantage of hotels in every single port. First of all, bathrooms. Clean bathrooms, usually free bathrooms, available bathrooms without a lot of lines in the lobbies of nicer hotels. I'm not talking those 1 and 2 star hotels. I'm talking 4 and 5 star hotels with beautiful lobbies. I sometimes will map them out, especially abroad. Like if you're in Europe or Asia, it's not always easy to just go to a Starbucks or a Chick-fil-A. You want to make sure that you are finding a bathroom before you need a bathroom. And I find hotels one of the best places, especially nice, beautiful hotels. Sometimes it even feels like a spa. They have like lotion and things like hairspray and mouthwash, and sometimes even like disposable little toothbrushes. So map out your hotels along the route, stop in. If there's a lock, there was a time recently when there was a code, just ask someone at the desk for the code, and usually you can get in at no cost. Next best thing about finding a nice hotel in ports is Wi-Fi. Strong Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi, a place to sit down if you want to log into your phone or computer, comfortable seating, a lot of couches, usually plants and art and good lighting. It's a really great place. I've definitely worked from hotel lobbies a lot in my life, but just when you're needing to maybe upload a video or move some photos off your camera or just want to connect and haven't had either strong Wi-Fi or decided to opt out of the Wi-Fi package, I find hotels have excellent Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. Sometimes you need to ask for the password, but people will generally give it to you at no cost. Another great thing to do when you get to a hotel is to grab some bottled water, some sodas, a coffee. So it's a great place to just pick up some snacks or drinks. It's not going to be the cheapest place, obviously. If you find like a 7-Eleven or a convenience store, it might be less expensive. But I find a lot of times they'll have fresh juices, like higher quality protein items. So if you're looking for like a protein snack or little cheese sticks, little sandwiches to go, it's a great place to grab things to go. It can also be a fantastic place to stop and have breakfast, lunch, etc. Again, maybe not the least expensive place, but I do find if you're going to a 4 or 5 star hotel, you can find really high quality appetizers to share. I know when I was in Panama City doing an excursion on your own time, wandered into this courtyard and it led to this amazing Sunday brunch that was unreal. So think about maybe stopping in a hotel to grab an actual meal. Hotels are also a fantastic place to hang out if you're disembarking your cruise ship and your flight might not be happening until later in the afternoon or in the evening. A lot of times they'll have a place you can park your luggage at, enjoy some of the facilities. There's sometimes even day passes that you can get at a hotel where you don't need to spend the whole night, but you can purchase a day pass to be able to use the room, take a nap, take a shower, put your feet up, watch a movie. Sometimes that's just all you need, especially if you have a long day of travel ahead. It can be just amazing to be able to recharge and refresh, and the price is usually a lot less expensive than if you were to book that hotel for the evening. I know there's a site that people use to book these kind of day passes. And I'll put a link to that site in the description below. If you're finding this video informational or inspirational, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of my life living full-time on cruise ships. A lot of times too, you can use the facilities in a hotel. Again, check to see if there might be a charge for this, but you can use the pool, especially if it's an all-inclusive hotel. Sometimes they'll have day passes where you get unlimited food, unlimited drinks, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. But to be able to use some of their spa facilities, if there's like jacuzzis, indoor or outdoor, sometimes they'll have like steam rooms, saunas, a gym. So having kind of a hotel spa day, I think is also a phenomenal excursion. And I'm thinking specifically when my son Austin and I were on a cruise to Southeast Asia. We had stopped in Thailand. We had a really long port day. So we did a combination of some other things, like had some seafood at this restaurant at the beach, did some shopping. But a 4-hour block, we actually went to this hotel and used their spa services. It was very inexpensive. I think it was like $50 a person. But it gave us like a 90-minute massage, and we were able to use the pool, the jacuzzi, steam room, showers, and kind of make a spa day out of a port day. And that's honestly one of my most favorite things to do, especially when the prices can be so reasonable. Mexico comes to mind, obviously Southeast Asia, even in Europe, there's spa day packages at hotels, which also can be pretty amazing. I find the employees at a hotel also very knowledgeable about the area. If you need help with directions, recommendations for restaurants, I've gone to the hotel desk before. If you need to find where to exchange money or where's a close post office, maybe you're having trouble finding something on your Google map, just pop into a hotel. The people that are there working usually live nearby or close enough. They know the area, they know the neighborhood, and they can definitely answer your questions. Really helpful, really kind. I just think hotels, especially those nice hotels, are one of the best kept cruise secrets. You won't be disappointed. Just map a couple out and see how they come in handy. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are, if there's any other tips that I'm missing when it comes to finding hotels. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate your support, and I hope to see you on a cruise one day. Thanks.